Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to build an assignment tracker in Google Sheets. I'll show you the basics on how to build this assignment tracker. First things first, open up a blank Google Sheet and name. Now add all of my titles. Now I'm going to highlight these bold and center them. Now let's just go to 50 rows for now insert checkboxes. And we're going to add another tab. This is where we're going to put the information for our drop-down menus. So let's add some subjects and types of assignments. Now, let's go back to our original sheet, and we're going to highlight where we want the drop-down menus. For the subjects for this, highlight this column, right-click View. More cell actions and data validation. Let's add a rule drop-down from a range. You're going to click Select Data Range, go to the other sheet and highlight the subjects of courses, and click OK. Then click Done Now. Once you go back, you'll be able to see all the subjects and courses that you inputted. Now let's do the same thing for the type. Now if you don't like them looking like a bubble, so you just go to Advanced Options and then Arrow, and then we won't be in that bubble anymore. Now let's add the drop-down menu with statuses that don't need to be changed. So we're going to do the same thing and add a rule. You can change the colors. First we'll right-click and do conditional formatting, so format cells. For this you have to manually type in the date, but we want a small calendar to pop up. So highlight the column, right-click, view more cell actions, and data validation, add a rule, and then we'll do is validate, and reject the input, and then click Done. Now when you click on these cells, a little calendar will pop up. For the countdown, all you'll have to do is the formula equals click on this cell, minus today parentheses and parentheses, and then click Enter, and it'll tell you how many days until this date. Now let's do the drop-down menu for priority level. So highlight that column, right, click Data Validation, add a rule, we'll do low, medium, and high conditional formatting. Text which is exactly low, it's green. Text which is exactly medium can make it orange. And text which is exactly high, make it red. I'll create a border all the way around the assignment tracker, and that's how you can build an assignment tracker in Google Sheets in 2025. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.